All right, good morning, everyone, and welcome to the routine Thursday weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. I am meteorologist Jimmy Danko, and we're going to be covering the period from today, June 1st, through next Wednesday, June 7th. So first, looking at the upcoming weather pattern for the next week. So right now we have a weak area of low pressure that's spinning off the coast of North Carolina, and that will result in mostly cloudy skies and maybe a few isolated showers across the eastern half, roughly, of the area this afternoon. And the west looks to be mainly sunny and dry. Similarly, tomorrow, more isolated showers, maybe a storm will be possible in the southeast. Overall, does not look like widespread or a washout. Saturday, a backdoor cold front that you can see here will be dropping south and reach our area in the evening and overnight hours. And with that front, there could be some showers and storms in the afternoon and evening, mainly in northern areas. The guidance has it weakening pretty quickly as it goes south, but there could be a few storms near the North Carolina-Virginia border especially. And then on Sunday, drier air will filter in behind the front. So Sunday looks mainly dry. And then an upper trough starts to dig south early next week, and that could bring some isolated showers and storms each day, Monday through Wednesday. Again, it does not look like a washout on any of these days. Precipitation should be fairly sporadic and light, if anything. Tuesday maybe could be a little bit more widespread as a cold front comes through on Tuesday night. Temperatures will gradually increase through Saturday. So today and tomorrow still slightly below normal, generally highs in the mid 70s to low 80s, and then gradually warming. By Saturday, we get temperatures well into the 80s, maybe even approaching 90 in far southern areas. And then temperatures drop sharply on Sunday behind that backdoor cold front, back down into the 70s for highs. And then they slowly increase again next week. So looking at how much rain we're expecting for the next 5 days, again, just very sporadic light showers, if anything, today and tomorrow, and then maybe a better chance on Saturday with that backdoor front. Maybe some areas could have a quarter to half inch. Again, does not look like still anything too heavy. And then drying out Sunday, and then early next week, again, maybe sporadic showers. So overall 5-day totals look fairly light. Looking at the drought update for the state that was just released today. This map is courtesy of the North Carolina State Climate Office. So really there isn't much change at all over the last week. Still, we just have this one area, very small area of D0 or abnormally dry conditions in the far southwest, really just Anston County. Otherwise, we're in pretty good shape as far as drought is concerned across the area. We did have a pretty wet weekend. Severe storm potential is nil for the next few days. There could be, again, some isolated storms on Saturday, but no severe weather is expected. And no flash flooding or excessive rain is expected either the next few days. Amounts look fairly light overall. Looking at the 8 to 14 day outlook, courtesy of the Climate Prediction Center, generally we're expecting temperatures and precipitation near normal for that period. And just to give reference, normal temperatures for mid-June, highs are in the mid to upper 80s and lows in the mid to upper 60s. So we're starting to get pretty warm out there for average temperatures. So again, just to summarize, mostly cloudy and maybe some isolated showers in the east today. More isolated showers, maybe a storm possible in the southeast tomorrow. Slightly better chances on Saturday afternoon and evening, mainly across the north with a backdoor cold front, and then really cooling down on Sunday and turning completely dry. And then we have a gradual warming trend again next week with maybe, can't rule out some isolated showers and storms, best chance on Tuesday with another cold front. And really no hazards or impacts are expected at this time for the next week across the area. All right, that about does it. Does anyone have any questions?